Okay, y'all. I turned around because I want y'all to see this guy. He's from Burnsville, Mississippi. He's standing up here at the Mexican restaurant. Now, this boy's father is a truck driver. Oh, I bet he loves hearing that. Watching y'all, he's right there. Y'all hang in there like a hair in a biscuit. I gotta turn around and do it one more time. One more time. Alright, y'all see him over there? He's a pumping her. Where'd he go? Oh, well, where'd he go? I can't see him. I lost. There he is. There he is. These cars ain't waving at him. They ain't blowing their horn. They're not doing nothing. What do we need to do? We need to blow our horn. Yes, we do. God bless you, brother. I hope you have an awesome day. Love you. Don't know him. God loves him, and so do I.